Welcome to HVS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating wireless object locator. So the main purpose of the project is to help the blind persons to find the basic objects like blind stick or water bottle, or else what are the thing they need to find the basic needs. So we are going to helping out them by providing this thing to them. So the purpose is like the working is like this is the remote section, transmitting section, it will be with the blind person, and these two are with the objects. So for example, if you want to place the keys, or if you want to place the blind stick, if you want to find the blind stick, so this receiving section will be fixed to the blind stick, and this is the fixed with the water bottle. So whenever the person need that particular object, then based on this key input he can find that. So let us see the first the working, and then we'll explain the components wise explanation. So before switching on this receiver section, we need to on the transmitter initially. That's very important, otherwise you get the malfunctioning. So now transmitter section got switched on initially and receiver then. So now, so it will be the from the right side object and the left side object. Both receivers will receive the data, but based on the signal giving from the particular button, so it will be isolated. Okay, so coming to the working of this one. So here the transmitter of 433 megahertz RF transmitter interfaces to encoder IC. So here from the buttons, the four inputs will be given to the ST12E encoder, and the data will be transmitted through the RF transmitter after encoding was done. And coming to this board, we are going to provide the 9 volts battery, and this is a 7805 regulator. After that we will get the 5 volts of power supply. After getting the 5 volts of power supply, it's keep on transmitting the data. Whether you press the button or not, it's keep on sending the data. But the LED indication on receiving end, so it indicating as the transmitter got switched on already. And based on the button pressed 0, 1, 1, 1, like that, the data will be transmitting to the receiving section of the both end. And coming to the receiving section, this is a 433 megahertz same RF receiver, and it will receive the data and give the data to the decoder IC, that is ST12D. And coming to the decoding, after the decoding was done, so it will given the 4 data bits output to these pins. So we interface the buzzer at particular pin, the D0 for this D0 button and D1 for the D1 button in the receiving section of 2. So here also no need of required any regulator, as we know that ST12D work with 6 volts to 21 volts of DC. Same thing will be working in the both end. Thank you.